Okay, this is a momentous occasion, 90 metres of track, and this is the final 2-inch piece to be placed in. It's 5 o'clock in October 2022, so we've got 90 metres oval double track, and the final 2 inches are to be put down now. So I'm just putting down the glue, which I put on first onto the concrete, and then I spread that out with a spreader like so, and then we put 2 lines of no nails and drop the piece of track into position after cleaning up the edges where I've cut it to get the fish plate on. So there we go, fish plate's on. I'll just place it down, and with it being the very last piece, we can just push it onto one of the tracks, and then there's some fish plates already waiting, fully pushed in to the other piece of track. So we just line that up, and then we use the pliers to just slide the fish plates over like such. Bit of a tricky one just to get that last piece in, get it lined up, and move the fish plates over. That's one done, and then that's the other one, and that's it. Just place it down and then get my little bogey and run that up and down, check it. So yes, momentous occasion, 90 metres of track, last 2 inches in place. Great news.